guys, welcome back to my channel. We have a special guest today, my son Jaden.
Hi guys.
So today's video we are going to make
Slime.
We've never made slime on like a video, so we wanted to show you guys. We went to buy a kit at Michael's and we're gonna try it out, see if it works. If it doesn't, well, too bad, but at least we tried. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, so the kit that we got is the ELMERS slime starter kit. Can't remember how much this was, but we found this one at Michael's and it comes with everything you need. The only thing that we got separately was these little foam balls, because I wanted to try that out in the slime. And I'm going to show you what it comes with. All right, so the first thing that it comes with is 2 clear school glues.
These.
And 5 glitter glues.
Right here.
And it has 5 different colors. Silver. Well, you could tell them the colors.
They have red, gold, green, blue, and silver.
And 2 bottles of magical liquid.
Ooh.
So I'm gonna read the instructions and we're gonna get started. Also, the instructions are right here in the back. And well, here we go. All right, so the first step is pour out an entire bottle of glue into a container. So we got a bowl right here. We're gonna squeeze all this glue out until it's all gone. All right, so all the glue is all in the bowl. Next is add your choice of ELMERS glitter glue and mix in. So we're gonna choose our favorite colored glue to mix it.
So we're gonna choose red. Let me take it out.
Let me see.
Yeah, I'll put it on.
All right, we finally opened them up.
Let's put the red glitter.
Okay, so it just says mix until all the color is completely mixed in with the glue. So we're gonna squeeze out all of the glitter and start mixing. I have some forks here. We're just gonna use a fork to mix it. So we decided to take the little top off because it comes out faster like that. So good tip, take the little top part off and just squeeze it all out. All right, all the glitter is in. We're gonna start mixing until it all blends in to one color. Look at that. Looks like strawberry jelly.
I know.
Okay, I think we're almost done. Couple more stirs. On to the next step.
Oh my gosh.
Okay. ELMERS magical glue. All right, so the next step is we have to add 1 bottle of the magical liquid. And then mix until mixture gets hard to mix and slime. And yeah, that should be the last step. So let's pour in all of this magical glue and watch the magic happen.
Oh, it looks scary. It looks like it's going here. Look, it's starting to turn it.
As you can see, the magic is starting to happen. It's getting harder. As soon as it's hard enough, we're gonna start using our hands to mix. think it's done. We're gonna go ahead and use our hands to get messy. You want to start it off?
Put it in my hand.
Mm-hmm.
Can I mix it like this?
Yeah, mix it.
Oh, it's so gooey.
No, you gotta get it out.
Oh. How? How do you mix it?
Don't get it anywhere. Oh, gross. Gross. It feels so disgusting.
It sounds like a slime.
Oh, it feels like I just got a Monster's boogers on my hand. So it's super sticky. It says we have to mix until it's like slime. Obviously, it's like slime, but look at
where
this.
Where can we put it?
Where
can we put it in?
Remember the containers we bought?
Oh, yeah. What about my hand?
Alright, so after like 30 minutes trying to just stretch it out, mix it in, it was super sticky. I couldn't get it off my hands. My hands are like completely dead already. And it's still super sticky. Been trying to add more of the magical liquid, but it hasn't worked. So this is it here. But as you can see, it still sticks like crazy.
Let me try. It is real. Look, it works for me. Look. You see? I told you have to clean. Okay, so it works for me, but not my mom. So.
Yes, Stretch it. Ooh, that's some good slime.
It's still good, but it's still sticky. But we can still be with it.
Let me see. So yeah, it's super sticky still. I don't understand why I put so much of that of the liquid. But as you can see, it's really fun to play with. It's not as dark red as in the box. So
maybe they got another
that's
container.
not cool.
No, they got another container maybe.
No.
Wait, are we gonna add these?
Oh yeah, we're gonna add the little foam balls now to see. Maybe that will help a little bit. Maybe that will help it get not as sticky. So we're gonna just put it here on the mat and just throw in the little foam balls. Okay, let me get it off now. Fold it. Like that.
Oh, it feels cool.
Okay.
Oh, I'm so excited. It's still slime, but it's sticky.
Look at how pretty it sparkles.
Oh, yeah. One fall. Yeah, take this off. Oh,
Let me try this one. I want to fold it in.
we're not gonna see the glitter no more. And look, that looks beautiful.
Oh, it's like that one that you have.
Yeah. Yeah. I do it. I want to do it.
Oh!
I want to do it. I love that poppy
Love it.
noise.
Look at that. Look at that. This is our first time mixing slime with any kind of little items.
I'm gonna try.
Now it's not as sticky, so it's pretty cool. It feels super heavy now, really hard. But oh my god, this is so much fun to do. I think we might do another one. We'll do a different color, and either we use the same foam balls or we use different stuff. All right, you guys, so I say this was a great success. I give it a 2 thumbs up. This was really fun to do, super exciting. I thought it was not gonna work. I thought it wasn't gonna work, but it did. Pretty cool. It's so weird. Look at that. But this is a great slime. So I do suggest this. I do recommend this slime kit from Michaels. It was pretty fun, pretty easy. Just keep adding the magical liquid so it won't be too sticky. But what do you think?
Yeah, it's really fun. So if you buy this, just add glue and then the liquid, but if it doesn't be sticky, if it's sticky and it gets all over you, put a little of the other one and then it be slime. It's still sticky, but it's good.
Before we end this, I forgot, I obviously need containers because it does not come with them. I found these at Michael's for $1. Pretty decent size. And they are for slime, so I suggest get these. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was our first video slime making. Comment down below if you guys enjoyed this. If you guys want to see more slime videos, we will. Don't forget to like and subscribe, you guys. Keep that notification bell on to get notified for the next video. And I love each and every one of you guys. I'll see you guys later. Bye!